everyone. Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Now it's time for maths lecture, so student, let's begin. In our last lectures we are done with exercise 9.1 and 9.2. So today we are going to continue. See students, let's revise. First, let me make clock. See, this is a clock from 12 to 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock and 12 o'clock. One cycle or one circle completes from 12 o'clock to 12 o'clock. What happens after 12 o'clock? Once again 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock and up to 12 o'clock. We know that there are 24 hours in a day and this completes two circles in a day. Starting from 12 o'clock to 12 o'clock one circle, then once again from 12 o'clock to 12 o'clock second circle. So let's see. There are two formats of clock. One is 12-hour format and one is 24-hour format. What happens in 12-hour format? After 12, starting from 12 to 12. After this 12, this is 1, 2, 3 in 12 o'clock format, but in 24 format, this is 13, 14, 15, 16 and so on. Let's see what I am saying. Let me rub it first. Let's see the differences. 12-hour clock and 24-hour. See students, one more thing. The day starts from midnight. Midnight 12 o'clock. जब रात के 12 बजते. Day starts from midnight 12 o'clock. There are 24 hours in a day. A day starts from midnight 12 and the day ends at next midnight. The day starts at midnight 12 and the day ends at next midnight 12. The first 12 hours of the day of representing AM. You know AM, PM. So from midnight to noon, the first 12 hours represented by AM, and after noon means from 12 noon to 12 midnight we use PM. From midnight to noon 12 we use AM, and from 12 noon to midnight 12 we use PM. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay, so as we know that the day starts from 12 midnight. So in 12-hour format we write it as 12 midnight or 12 AM. And in 12-hour clock we write it as 00. 0 hours and 0 minutes. Because day is starting from here, so we start from 0 now. After 12, 1 AM, and after 00 hours, 1 hour. Then after 1 AM, 2 AM. After 1 AM, 2 AM, and after 1 o'clock o'clock, then 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 11 a.m., 11 hours. Then after 11, 12 noon. After 11, 12 noon. See, a day starts from 12 midnight. Day is starting from 12 midnight, then 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and so on. And we reach to 12 noon. दोपहर के 12 बजे. So 12 noon, and this is 12 hours. Now what comes in after 12 noon? In 12 hour clock, there is 1 again, but now it's PM. After 12, 1 o'clock once again, but it's 1 PM. Earlier it was 1 AM, now it is 1 PM. Now in 24-hour format, after 12, 13 o'clock. In 12-hour format, there are only 12 hours, and in 24-hour format, there are 24 hours. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, after 13, 14 o'clock, and so on. And after 1, 2 PM. Earlier it was 2 AM in the night, now it is 2 PM, and so on. 2 PM, 3 PM, 4 PM, 5 PM, 6 PM, 7 PM, 8 PM, 9 PM, 10 PM, 11 PM, and once again it is 12 midnight. Once again it is 12 midnight. Now what comes after 12 midnight? 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM, 4 AM, and so on. Once again the cycle is repeating. Now here after 12 o'clock, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20. After 23, once again it's midnight. So as we started, midnight 00, so 00. After, in 12-hour clock, after 12 we start from 1, and in this after 12 we start from 13. Okay students, so I hope AM PM concept is clear to you, and 12-hour and 24-hour format is also clear to you all. So once again, AM from midnight to 12 noon. From midnight to 12 noon. And PM from 12 noon to, once again, the day full time, midnight 12. Okay. And in 24-hour format, there is no need to write AM PM. It is already understood. After 12 noon, it's not 1 PM. It is 13, then 14, 15. And so on. Okay. So students, I hope this is clear to you all. Okay, so now let's start exercise 9.3. All of you open your books and copies. Let's start exercise 9.3. Question number 1. All of you open your books and copies. Let's start exercise 9.3. Fill in the blanks. Now we need to fill the blanks by using AM or PM. Okay students, now good morning. I get up at 6 dash. Either we get up before noon or afternoon. Yes, we get up before noon. So before noon means AM. So 6 AM. So answer for A is AM. Now I go to school at 8 AM or PM. You go to school in morning or afternoon? Yes, we go to school in the morning. So once again we will write AM for B also. Now see, I completed my homework at 4:15, 4 o'clock in 15 minutes. 4:15 AM or PM? Very good, it's PM. You complete your homework after school time. So after school it's afternoon. So in afternoon times we write PM. Now question D. I must win the match today. I play at 5:30 AM or PM? Very good. It's PM. And the last one, I have breakfast at 7:45. See, breakfast we take in the morning time, so it must be AM. So answer for A is AM, answer for B is AM, answer for C is PM, answer for D is PM, and answer for E is AM. So these all are the answers for question number 1. All of you complete question number 1. Complete it fast. So I hope you are done with question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is also fill in the blanks. You need to fill the timing. AM and PM is already written. So question number 2 is your homework. You need to do it by your own. See students, let's revise one more time. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. seconds. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. See, 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 1 year is equals to 365 days or 12 months also. There are 12 months in a year and 1 year is equals to 365 days. And leap year may be, we know that in leap year 366 days are there. So these are the information to remember. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, 1 day is equals to 24 hours and 1 year is equals to 365 days. Okay. So students, now we learn to convert day into minutes or hours or minutes into hours. These kind of conversion we will learn now. So suppose the question is, we need to convert 4 hours into minutes. See, we know that 1 hour is equals to 24 hours. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 4 hours is equals to 4 into 60. 1 hour is equals to 1 into 60. We can understand like this: 1 into 60. 1 into something is the number itself. So 1 into 60 is 60. So if 1 is here, so we are multiplying it with 1. If 4 is here, then we will be multiplying it with 4. So let's multiply 60 by 4. 4 into 0 is 4 and 6 4s are 24. So there are 240 minutes in 24 hours. So this is how we can convert hours into minutes, or in the same manner we will convert days into hours or minutes into seconds. So now, without wasting time, let's move to exercise. Let's start exercise 9.4. Let's start exercise 9.4. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Once again, it's fill in the blank kind of question. So we will not show the solution. The solution will be our rough work. So I hope you are done with writing the question. Okay, so part A, 3 days is equals to dash hours. See, as we know that 1 hour is equal, 1 day, as we know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So 3 days is equals to, therefore 3 days is equals to 3 into 24. So let's multiply 24 by 3. 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. 1 is carry. 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So 72 hours. So 3 days is equals to 72 hours. question B, 2 hours is equals to dash minutes. Hours is equals to dash minutes. Now as we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 2 hours is equals to 2 hours is equals to 2 into 60 minutes. So 2 into 60 is 120. So 120 minutes. So there are 120 minutes in 2 hours. So in the blank we will write 120. Okay, so question C. 6 minutes is equals to dash seconds. So as we know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 6 minutes is equals to 6 into 60. So 6 into 60 is 360. So 6 minutes is equals to 360 seconds. Now the next question D. 4 years is equals to dash month. As we know that 1 year is equals to 12 months. So 4 years is equals to 4 into 12. 4 years is equals to 4 into 12. So let's multiply. 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. So there are 48 months. So 4 years is equals to 48 months. So here is the question. 48 months. Students, note down this much, then we will continue the question. students, you are done. Okay, so now question E. See, one more thing is, student, 10 years means 1 decade. 10 years means 1 decade. One more thing you need to remember is decade. 10 years means 1 decade, 20 years means 2 decade, and so on. And century means 100 years. Century means 100 and decade means 10. Okay, so 5 decades. Question E, 5 decades is equals to dash years. Okay, so we know that 1 decade is equals to 10 year. 1 decade is equals to 10 year. So 5 decades is equals to 5 into 10. So 5 into 10, 5 tens is 50. So 50 years. So in the blank we will write 50. Now next question, 9 days is equals to dash hours. So first of all, as we know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So 9 days will be equal to 9 into 24 hours. Multiply 24 by 9. 9 fours are 36. 3 once again 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 3 1. So 9 days means 16 hours. So here in the blank 116. All of you complete this one also. Now I hope you all know how to convert day into hours, minute into seconds, decade into years. All the things are clear to you.
Okay, so today's lecture we will continue next. Till then, bye bye students.